solve Geek for Geeks problem difficulty level school. So today's problem will be we print 1 to n without loop. So we solve this problem. Print numbers from 1 to n without the help of loop. Input n equals to 10. So we print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Second example, n equals to 5. So output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we use recursive approach. So first we use if statement n equals to 0, then we simply return. Now we call again this function by n minus 1 and then we print value of n. So system dot out dot print value of n. So now we can see the output. Compile and run. So my code is successfully run and compile and run. So now we submit. All test cases pass. So my code is completely run. If you want C, C++ and Python code, then you can check description, like and subscribe. Thank you.